Our topic is chemical reaction. I am going to explain the chemical reaction, those chemical changes which alters the composition and nature of substance are said to be chemical reaction. There are 5 types of chemical reaction. Number 1, decomposition reaction, those chemical reaction in which a big substance breaks up, split up into 2 or more than 2 small substances is called decomposition reaction. For example, potassium chlorate KClO3 break up on heating into potassium chloride and oxygen gas KCl plus O2. Similarly, calcium carbonate is heated up, it break up into calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. These are the example of decomposition reaction. Now I am going to tell you about the addition reaction. Addition reaction are the inverse of chemical decomposition reaction. When 2 or more than 2 small substances chemically combine together, they form a big compound. The reaction is said to be chemical combination or addition reaction. For example, H2 plus O2, these are the small molecules combine together and form a big molecule of water H2O. Similarly, calcium oxide CaO plus O2 reaction, CaO, calcium oxide and carbon dioxide combine together, CaO plus CO2 react together, they form calcium carbonate, which is the big substance. These are the examples of chemical combination. Now I am going to explain the simple displacement reaction or single displacement reaction, such type of reaction in which an atom or group of atom displaces an atom or group of atom from a compound and takes its place themselves. These reactions are said to be single displacement reaction. For example, when zinc react with hydrochloric acid, it displaces the hydrogen and takes its place and produce zinc chloride. This is an example of single displacement reaction. Those reactions in which 2 compounds exchange their partners. 2 compound अपने partner exchange करते हैं and produces new substances. 2 new substances, the reaction are said to be double displacement reaction. For example, AB is a compound and CD is another compound. A will react to D and will produce AD, and C will react with B and produce CB. Example is sodium chloride NaCl react with silver nitrate AgNO3. It will produce on reacting NaNO3, sodium nitrate and silver chloride AgCl. Similarly, the second example is that calcium chloride CaCl2 plus sodium carbonate Na2CO3 react together and will produce sodium chloride and calcium carbonate. These are the example of double displacement reaction in which both compound exchange their partner. Now I am going to explain the combustion reaction. Combustion reaction are those chemical reaction in which a substance burned with free oxygen or oxygen of air and produce flame along with heat. The reaction is said to be combustion reaction. For example, methane burn in air and produce carbon dioxide and water vapors along with lot of heat. Similarly, when coal burn, carbon burn with oxygen, it will produce carbon dioxide along with heat. The reaction is said to be combustion reaction. Thank you very much.